Look at slide. A lot of people will play it on my rig. For the most part, it's fine for kids. Unless you've got to moisten the slide enough. In which case, it becomes...
Alright guys, check it out. I'm gonna show you guys an update on what just happened. Alright, don't mind the video in the background, the YouTube video. So remember I just said the EuroCAD is gonna pull back up here for a sell. We just did this in the last 45 minutes. We just made this money as well, bang on. Pulled back perfectly to the line I said it was going to, and it dropped. Alright, bang on. Another trade we just did in the last 1 hour that was called out live and profited. What else? USD CAD. Remember I drew that line and I said it won't pass it. Has not passed it. Exactly like I said. Alright. Exactly as I said. Could have taken a small short there. My gold call. I called this in front of everybody. I said sell it on a pullback to 1054. Gold, perfect profit as well. Alright, gold, perfect profit as well. We just made more money in the last 1 hour than people make in a week working. Alright, so far my NZD USD look perfect, following my trend. Come down, and if this continues up, this was a perfect bang on trade as well. Ridiculous. Euro AUD. Look at how my Euro AUD is following my line like I said. Perfect sell, going to profit. Ridiculous. Look at it. It's literally just sitting on the line of what I've drawn. Alright? Bang on. Just bang on. Alright? We've made our 500 pips for the week, and it's midweek. We still got non-farm payrolls. My commitment is 500 pips plus per week going forward every week. That's $5,000 a week at one standard lot. So at one standard lot, that is $5,000 USD per week. $20,000 a month at one standard lot, which is a very small lot size. All right. So at one standard lot, which is not that big. All right. It's $20,000 a month in profit if we just keep doing this, which I have been doing it for 8 months straight, and it's going to continue. So for those people that are questioning my system, for those people who have ever doubted my system the last 1 year, it's impossible to do what I'm doing, because what I'm doing, no one in the world is doing it. And I'm not bragging, I'm not being cocky, I'm just being very honest and serious. No one in the world is doing this. I've taken, around 1,300 young adults and some people older than me that were stuck in life, stuck in business, stuck in their workforce, and I made them a promise. I gave them a vow, and I told them that for $97 a month, I will change your life. And I have stuck to that vow, which is why everyone loves me as much as they do. All right? So we're doing this non-stop, and I'll do it again tomorrow, and I'll do it again during the non-farm payrolls. I'll take the weekend off, and I'll come back again Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Every week that you're not a part of our program is a week that you lost an opportunity to make money, all right? Don't email more than once. Don't email the joinmentortips@gmail.com more than once. I just want to show you guys, for the people that say show your track record, or Reza, doesn't really do this. I'm doing it live every single day, live on air. Everyone's watching what I do, and it's legitimately what it is. All right? It's legitimately what it is. So I don't know what else to say. Again, joinmentortips@gmail.com is where you can get in on the waiting list, and first come, first serve basis. When you get the email to sign up, you got 12 to 24 hours to sign up. All right? I think I'm done for the night. In fact, I just called out another trade that was a quick trade, but I think I may be done for the night. To come back tomorrow, we must have made a couple hundred pips today so far. It's not easy to predict markets this way. I'm telling you guys right now, it is not easy to predict markets the way I do. It is not easy to do what I do, and nobody would share this knowledge with anyone else. Normally, 99% of individuals, they give 10% and they make people coming back for more. I spit the knowledge. I give it out genuinely, knowing that, if people learn too much or they learn enough, they're not going to need me anymore. But the reality is, my followers are so loyal to me. I've developed such an amazing family. And, just to let you guys know, this is not just teaching. This is not just what I do. We have a massive, massive course, probably the biggest and most powerful financial course in the world on our site. Plus, we've got thousands and thousands of dollars worth of downloads. This is just tip of the iceberg, what you're seeing. All these live trades you're seeing that we're making all this money is a tip of the iceberg. So if you ever wanted to honestly grow up, own your Lamborghini, pay off your house, and have an amazing life, this is where it's at. And as you can see by the comments in here and the comments on my Instagram, on Twitter, my Twitter feed, it's just proof is in the pudding, right? There's nothing being manifested here. There's nothing being made up here. To get in, send an email to joinmentortips@gmail.com and just say, I want in, and that's it. Steadfast says he's made 10% in 3 weeks. You can't even make 10% a year. Some of the biggest hedge funds in the world are doing about 10 to 12% a year, all right? If I was doing this for a month and 2 months and then my system crashed, like all these other guys are doing it, I'd understand. Like jokers, like these other sites, that whatever we'll call something fraternity and all these other clowns that make 3-4% and then their system crashes and then they go into massive drawdowns. I don't even go in a drawdown. That's the crazy part. When we go in a drawdown, we go into like an 8-pip drawdown. And again, you can't deny it. Nobody can deny it. At this point, no human being can deny what we're doing. No human being can deny what is being done live in front of thousands and thousands and thousands of people. Every day we're doing it live. I'm so proud of my students. I'm so proud of all of them for taking the risk, okay? I love you guys, my students, if you're listening to this, I love you for taking the risk. I love you for believing in me. I love you for believing in yourself. I love you for giving yourself the opportunity to go outside your comfort zone and get involved in something that you never knew what it was. You took a chance. You took a risk because you believed in me. And I made an oath. I put my word out there that I will never turn my backs on you. I will never let you down. And you know what? I think for the most part, I have really done that. I have really supported you guys, and I have really been there for you guys. And the markets literally are doing what we want them to do. By the grace of God and by the grace of the Almighty Frank Hamilton, we're making a ton of money. We're doing amazing, and I could not be more proud of my students. I could not be more proud of all these individuals for taking that risk and getting involved in something that they had no idea what the hell it was. They just saw my cars, they saw my life, and they said, you know what, I'm going to take a risk and I'm going to believe in this kid, and look where we are today, man. Look where we are. Like, we've made all this money, and in an hour and a half there's another live trading session going on. It's just on and on and on and on. I honestly am so happy. I could not be happier. We could stop trading for the rest of the week and we've still made more than any other trading site out there. I would love to even challenge any other system or any other trading community or whatever the heck they are to post their earnings for the week and their points and how much they made compared to us, and you'll see we destroy the market. We destroy the competition. There is no competition for us. And you know what's amazing? Some of my guys now are calling out trades and that I'm catching on to. There's some of my students are finding trades that I don't even find. I can almost guarantee you that a good handful of my students right now could teach other mentors that are in the same industry as me. I can guarantee you that I could actually appoint some of my students, a good portion of my students, to teach guys like, I don't want to mention name, the guys that have the penny stock sites or the guys that have their fraternities or all these other guys, So I'm so proud of my family. I'm so proud of my team. You guys are amazing. And someday, who knows where this is going to go. Maybe we're going to open up a massive office together and and run our own fund. You know, who knows where this is going to go? The future is up to us, right? Who knows? Maybe this whole team is just going to grow as a family together, and we'll have this massive office one day, and we'll just be managing funds, and we'll become a major, management firm. You never know where it's going to go, right? Obviously, at some point, the big guys are going to, if the whole world knows about us already, but at some point, major institutions are going to catch a whiff of what we do. So just to show you guys, I came out an hour ago, I called out a bunch of trades, and they've all gone gold. They've all been profitable in the last 1 hour. Before that, I had called a bunch of trades that were profitable. It's it really is what it is, If Stratton Oakmont ever wanted the top traders in the world, well, right here, right here, all right? What Goldman Sachs returns in a year, we return in a month, and you can't deny it. You just can't deny it. The gurus that think they're gurus out there, that are big time money management firms, can say whatever the heck they want and mock us. But the fact is, we're destroying the markets, we're killing the markets, and we are making more than anyone else is. And the growth of students is psychotic. It's crazy, we have got, our intake levels are so high that we need infrastructure on top of infrastructure. So love you guys. I'm probably going to call it a night, because it's been money after money after money after money being made, and we're just going to we're going to relax. We're just going to relax. And I can't wait till I have my live seminars in Toronto, NYC, and in LA. It's going to be amazing. All right? I love you guys. Talk to you guys soon. Remember, join mentortips@gmail.com. Join mentortips@gmail.com. $97 a month is the cost. All right? Love you guys.